welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time I will show you how to make a crop top outfit for dolls. Okay, without much more to say, let's just get started. The first step you need is you have to prepare the tools such as scissors, needle, thread, and fabric that you will be cut later. First, we cut the fabric like this. You have to follow this pattern. After that, sew the bottom of the shirt. Done! Because I don't have Velcro like this, so I don't use it. If you have trouble removing your Barbie head to put this outfit on, then you can use Velcro, or you can also use snap button for this outfit for your dolls. Sew the neck of the shirt. Cut the fabric like this for the sleeves. Sew between the shirt and the sleeve. Done. Sew the bottom of the sleeves. Done. Sew the shirt. Done. Return the shirt. Yay! Finally, the crop top outfit is done. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have tried my method, please tag me on Instagram, pretty.leo. See you in the next video, guys. Bye!